Hello again, this is Jason Payne for Cold Banker Dan Harper Realties. Today I'm at one of my listings doing an open house. This house is located in the Greenshire Subdivision right off of 3009 in between I-35 and Highway 78 in Schertz, Texas. This is a beautiful neighborhood. Let's check it out. All right, the first thing you're gonna notice is the gorgeous red oak trees in this neighborhood. This house was built in 1997, so it is very established. The neighbors here are very quiet and peaceful. Lots of beautiful homes around the area. Lots of people out walking this neighborhood. Could not say much better things about it. Multiple houses in the neighborhood do have pools. Unfortunately, this house does not, but having neighbors with pools is actually even a little better. All right, let's go check out the inside. This house is just about 3,600 square feet. Like I said, built in 1997. But you can tell they have done a beautiful job upkeeping it, and the paint colors. The kitchen cabinets have been recently redone. This does have 2.5 baths. This is the half bath. Very elegant. Master bedroom is downstairs, so is the laundry room. This is ceramic tile wood-like flooring, so it's going to be very durable. High ceilings. Adult height vanity. Once you reach a certain age, you realize you do not like low vanities anymore. Look at this shower. That's very nice. You do have a walk-in closet. Plenty of room. Very nice sized formal dining room area. Place for your tree or a little bonus sitting area. We have a downstairs office, which could be a bedroom. Very spacious upstairs loft slash play area for kids. This does have 2 air conditioning units, one for upstairs, one for down. And notice the size of these 3 upstairs bedrooms. They're considerably larger than what you will find in newer construction nowadays. Let's check out the backyard and then we'll wrap up this little tour. Once again, very mature trees out here. Very quiet and peaceful. The play set is negotiable. If you have little ones and want to keep it here, the seller will negotiate a very reasonable price for you. And a nice cedar plank patio area, which would be great for doing a little pavilion or a hot tub. If it was my house, I'd probably put a hot tub there. All right, that's going to wrap up our tour of this beautiful home in Schertz in Greenshire Subdivision. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a call. My phone number is 210-254-4425. You can also look me up on YouTube by typing in hashtag Jason Payne Realtor. And if you like videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe, and you'll get notified of new videos coming your way. All right, hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day. Take care.